Embark on a culinary journey with a luscious banana custard cream pie that promises to be a showstopper at any dessert table. Begin by preparing a buttery, flaky pie crust, the foundation for this delightful creation. Next, it's time to embrace the star of the show, ripe, golden bananas. Slice them with precision and arrange them in the pie crust, creating a mosaic of sweet perfection. Now, let's dive into the velvety custard. Whisk together eggs, sugar, and cornstarch in a saucepan, gradually adding milk for a smooth, creamy consistency. Bring this delectable mixture to a gentle boil until it thickens into a luxurious custard. Pour it over the banana slices, ensuring every nook and cranny is embraced by this rich indulgence. As a finishing touch, whip up a cloud of fresh, velvety cream. Pile it high on top of the custard, creating peaks that beckon for a luscious bite. And because we believe in the power of contrast, let's sprinkle finely chopped nuts over the cream for a delightful crunch that adds depth to every forkful. Chill the banana custard cream pie until it sets, allowing the flavors to meld into a harmonious symphony of sweetness. Once ready, slice into this heavenly creation, revealing layers of banana bliss and creamy custard that melt together in a celebration of flavor. Whether shared with loved ones or savored as a personal indulgence, this banana custard cream pie is a masterpiece that transcends the ordinary.